This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Trigger. Start building your dream home today. Quality new construction in desirable Michael's Woods. The Cypress model has an open concept floor plan great for entertaining family and friends. Attractive luxury vinyl flooring throughout the first floor. Chef's kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and pendant lighting. Formal dining room and office/flex room on the first floor. Dual primary suites upstairs with private bathrooms and large walk-in closets. Relax in your private backyard with rear patio backing to wooded area. Covered front porch. 2-car garage. Choose all of your finishes to suit your style. Convenient access to interstates, bases, shipyard, nature parks, shopping and restaurants. All new homes include a 1-year builder's warranty. Delivery spring 2024. There are a limited number of lots, so call today. For more information.